Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, adjectives. So now what are adjectives? If in short I want to say the definition of adjective, it can be given within two words. Adjectives are describing words. Adjectives are also known as describing words. For the proper definition, we can state as an adjective is a word that is used as the meaning of a noun. An adjective is a word which can be used to add something to the meaning of a noun. An adjective describes the noun. Adjective क्या करते हैं? हमारे पास जो noun है, what is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. अब वो noun कैसा है, कितनी क्वांटिटी में है, उस नाउन के बारे में सब कुछ डिस्क्राइब कौन करेगा? एडजेक्टिव. जो वर्ड उस नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करेंगे, उस नाउन के बारे में और मीनिंग देंगे, वो वर्ड्स क्या है? एडजेक्टिव्स. Describe nouns are called adjectives. I will repeat. Words that are used to add something to a noun. Adjectives. For example, Mark Antony was a brilliant. Now we have given two nouns. Mark Antony is a common noun. Okay. We know that Mark was a orator. Was a brilliant orator. किस तरह के orator थे? Brilliant. So brilliant is describing for the noun adjective. Mary sang a beautiful song here. And song noun. So हमें यहाँ पे बताया what kind of song word beautiful, यानी कि मैरी ने कैसा सॉन्ग गाया? ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग गाया. So the word beautiful over here is my adjective that is describing the noun song. In the first example you can see the word brilliant is my adjective which is describing the noun orator. In the second example you can see I have the word beautiful as my adjective which is describing the noun song. So words that describe nouns are called adjectives. They can also be known as describing words. What does they tell about a noun? They can tell about the color, size, shape, number, any description about the noun. Now, if the concept of adjectives, the definition of adjective is clear, I will like to jump to the next topic which is kinds of adjectives. Adjective में भी अलग अलग type है. Like I said, it can be used, they can tell us about the color, size, shape and number of a noun, right? So these are divided into kinds. The adjectives are of 7 kinds. So let us learn about them one by one. The first kind is adjective of quality. A person, place और thing is. क्वालिटी बताता है कि वो नाउन कैसा है. चाहे वो नाउन कोई पर्सन है, प्लेस है, एनिमल है या थिंग है, कोई भी है वो नाउन, बट वो किस तरह का है, वो कैसा है. यू कैन सी द वर्ड्स ब्लैक, टायर्ड, काइंड, हैप्पी, बिजी एट्सेट्रा. दिस ऑल आर द एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. These words can be used to describe a person, place और thing कि वो किस तरह के हैं. Look at the example. था black color का था. A kind man, वो man कैसा है? Kind है. A happy child, child कैसा है? Happy है. So all these are the qualities of a certain thing, a person, right? So these kind of adjectives are known as adjective of quality. Again I will explain. Adjective of quality tell us what kind a person, place or a thing is. Example again you can see a black coat. Here we are talking about the noun coat. Coat कैसा है? Black color का है. A kind man, man कैसा है? Kind है. A happy child, child कैसा है? Happy है. So this was adjective of quality. Next we have adjective of quantity. Quantity, adjective of quantity, they tell us how much is needed. तो वो हमें उसका अमाउंट बताते हैं. नॉट एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट बट कितना है. कोई भी नाउन है जिसे हम डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं, वो कितनी क्वांटिटी में है, कितने अमाउंट में है, वो जिस वर्ड से डिस्क्राइब हो वो एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू कैन सी द वर्ड्स मच, लिटिल, सम, any, enough, sufficient, whole, etc. These all are the words which are adjectives of quantity. You can see the example: any milk, whole bread, enough food. अब यहाँ पे हमें नाउन की क्वांटिटी दी हुई है, मिल्क की, ब्रेड की, फूड की, बट वी हैव नॉट बीन गिवन द एग्जैक्ट क्वांटिटी. ठीक है, एग्जैक्ट नंबर हमें नहीं दिया है. सो इसलिए ये क्या होंगे, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. हमें एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी में नाउन का अमाउंट ज़रूर बताया जाता है बट नॉट द एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. See, in adjective of number also we get the description of the amount of the noun. बट यहाँ पे हमें एग्जैक्टली एक अमाउंट, एटलीस्ट इट इज़ डिस्क्राइब्ड वेल देन दैट ऑफ एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी में हाउ मच, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर टेल अस अबाउट हाउ मैनी और इन व्हाट ऑर्डर. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑल, मैनी, several, 5, some, first, 12th, most, etc. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हैं कि हाउ मच, कितनी है. ओके, और एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स डिस्क्राइब हाउ मैनी और इन व्हाट ऑर्डर. फॉर एग्जांपल ऑल द गर्ल्स, सारी गर्ल्स, मैनी बॉयज़, बहुत सारे बॉयज़, सेवरल बर्ड्स, लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ बर्ड्स. An adjective of number states how many person or things are meant or in what order a person or thing stands. An adjective of quantity indicates how much of a thing is meant. Again I will repeat all the 3 kinds of adjective we learned. First one, adjective of quality. An adjective of a quality tell us about the quality of a person or a thing. वो हमें बताती है, किस बारे में बताती है, क्वालिटी बताती है, किसकी, एक पर्सन या फिर एक थिंग की. Another example I can give: he did not eat, he is a sincere worker. वो कैसा वर्कर है, सिंसियर वर्कर है. She was a brave soldier. कैसी सोल्जर थी वो, ब्रेव सोल्जर थी. So here the word sincere and brave are describing the worker and soldier कि उनकी क्वालिटी क्या थी. वर्कर की क्वालिटी थी कि वो सिंसियर था, सोल्जर की क्वालिटी थी कि वो ब्रेव थी. ओके, सो दीज आर एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नेक्स्ट, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी इंडिकेट्स हाउ मच ऑफ अ थिंग इज मेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही डिड नॉट ईट एनी ब्रेड, आई नीड some money. So here the words any and some, these both are adjective of quantity. वो हमें बता रहे हैं the amount, how much bread, how much money. How much bread, any bread, बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं. How much money, some money, थोड़े से पैसे. Okay, and lastly number 3 we learned adjective of number. An adjective of number states how many person or thing are meant or in what order or thing stands. के बारे में बात हो रही है, ये पता चलता है adjective of number से. एग्जाम्पल, the box contain 5 pens. बॉक्स के अंदर पेन है, कितनी पेन है, 5 pens. adjective of number. Today is the first day of the match. आज मैच का कौन सा दिन है, फर्स्ट डे है. तो here first is the, here the word first is the adjective of number. Now next, number 4, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective indicates which person or thing is meant. जैसे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन में एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोनाउन को पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता था वर्ड, राइट. इन द सेम वे डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव में भी इट टेल अस कि हम किस पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. ये भी उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन या थिंग को पॉइंट आउट करता है. this, these, that, those, such, yonder, etc. For example, this boy, these trees, those pens, yonder lake. Here all the words. This boy, ये लड़का, these trees, ये वाले पेड़, those pens, वो pen, right? So here all these words are pointing out. They are telling us about which person or thing we are talking about. Again, demonstrative adjective describe, it indicates which person or thing is meant. For example, this child has fallen ill. These mangoes are ripe. So the words here, this and these, point to the noun. So these are my demonstrative adjective. Number 5, distributive adjective. They show that the person or thing are taken one at a time. They will be pointing out the adjective or the noun, but one at a time. Like for the words each, every, either and neither. They show that the person or things are taken one at a time. वो हमें ये शो करते हैं कि वो जो पर्सन है, वो थिंग है, उसे वन एट अ टाइम सिलेक्ट किया गया है. Each girl, either pen, every boy, neither movie. All these words here, each, every, either and neither, these words are distributive adjectives. सी जो डेफिनेशंस हमने प्रोनाउन के लिए पढ़ी है ना, एडजेक्टिव की जो काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव की डेफिनेशन है ऑफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडजेक्टिव, इंट्रोगेटिव, ये कुछ हद तक ही सिमिलर हैं. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज्ड बिटवीन द प्रोनाउंस एंड एडजेक्टिव्स. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. दे आर यूज्ड विथ नाउन्स टू आस्क द क्वेश्चंस. जो वर्ड्स नाउन के साथ हमें क्वेश्चन करे वो हो जाएंगे हमारे इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स. एग्जाम्पल व्हाट, व्हिच, whose. See for the example, what boy, which book, whose shoe. Here the words what, which and whose, they are interrogative adjectives. An interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask questions. Which kite do you want to buy? Whose car is that? The words which, what and whose are used to ask questions. So they are interrogative adjective. Possessive adjective, they tell us whose is the thing. पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव हमें ये बताती है कि वो जो चीज़ है, वो जो थिंग है, वो किसको बिलोंग करती है, किसकी है. आवर, हर, हीज, योर, देयर, एट्सेट्रा. एग्जाम्पल, आवर स्कूल, हर हाउस, योर बुक, हीज शूज़, देयर टॉयज़. ये सारे वर्ड्स क्या है, पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स हैं. ये हमें बताते हैं कि वो चीज़ किसको बिलोंग करती है. अ पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव shows possession or belonging. It answers to the question whose. For example, his name is John. The dog is licking its paw. The students thanked their teacher. So all this word here, his, its, their, they have been used as possessive adjectives. Again, I will describe all the 7 kinds of adjective. Number 1, adjective of quality. An adjective of quality tell us about the quality of a person or thing. Adjective of quantity. An adjective of quantity indicates how much of a thing is meant. Number 3, adjective of number. An adjective of a number states how many person or things are meant or in what order a person or a thing stands. Number 4, demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective indicates which person or thing is meant. Number 5, distributive adjective. The distributive adjective indicates when the person or thing are taken one at a time. Number 6, interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective is used with a noun to ask questions. Lastly, number 7, possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. It answers the question whose. So children, these were the 7 different kinds of adjectives. Now we will be moving forward to the exercises. Exercise 1. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences and say what kind they are. 1 is done for you. So we have been given certain sentences. What we have to do is we have to identify the adjectives. किस statement में कौन से adjectives हैं. Then we have to underline them, and beside it in the blank we have to write what kind of adjective it is. One has already been done for you. Like see number 1, I know a funny little man. The adjective here is funny. It's the adjective of quality. Same way you have to underline adjectives in the other statements and write the kind in the blank beside them. Let's begin. Number 2, a Japanese lady was standing in the 12th row. So here I have 2 adjectives. One is Japanese, that is adjective of quality, and 12, that is adjective of number. Number 2, he could not solve a simple sum during the whole period though many classmates did it quickly. So here I have 3 adjectives. First one is simple, which is adjective of quality. Second one is whole, which is adjective of quantity. And third one is many, which is adjective of number. Number 4, our team went to Hyderabad to play in the famous cricket tournament. So here also I have 2 adjectives. First one is our, which is a possessive adjective, and famous, which is adjective of quality. Number 5, how much money did you spend on the food and which hotel did you stay in Shimla? Here I have 2 adjectives. First one is much, which is adjective of quantity, and next is which is an interrogative adjective. Number 6, this is not your book. It belongs to the quiet little girl sitting behind you. Again here we have 3 adjectives. First one is your, which is a possessive adjective. Second one is quiet, which is an adjective of quality, and last one is little, which is also an adjective of quality. Number 7, an old farmer had 5 sons, all good for nothing, and they caused him great anxiety. Here we have 3 adjectives. First one is old, which is adjective of quality. Second one is 5, that is adjective of number, and last one is great, that is again adjective of quality. Number 8, neither boy could jump properly and both were sent back to the last line. Here in this statement we have 2 adjectives. First one is neither, that is a distributive adjective, and another one is last, that is an adjective of number. Number 9, some men are rich but lazy. Some women are poor but hardworking. Here I'll have 5 adjectives. First one is some, that is adjective of number. Second one is rich, that is adjective of quality. Third is lazy, that is also adjective of quality. Fourth is poor, which is also adjective of quality. And the last one is hardworking, that is also adjective of quality. Lastly, number 10, with only 5 rupees in his pocket, he went out to seek his fortune in the big bad world. Here I have 4 adjectives. First one is 5, that is adjective of number. Second one is his, that is a possessive adjective. Third one is big, that is adjective of quality. And last one is bad, which is also adjective of quality. We'll read all the statements again and repeat their adjective and their kinds. Number 2, a Japanese lady was standing in the 12th row. First adjective Japanese, adjective of quality. Next 12th, adjective of number. Number 3, he could not solve a simple sum during the whole period, though many classmates did it quickly. Simple, adjective of quality. Whole, adjective of number. Adjective of quantity. Many, adjective of number. Number 4, our team went to Hyderabad to play in the famous cricket tournament. Our, possessive adjective. Famous, adjective of quality. Number 5, how much money did you spend on food and which hotel did you stay in Shimla? Much, adjective of quantity. Which, interrogative adjective. Number 6, this is not your book. It belongs to the quiet little girl sitting behind you. Your, possessive adjective. Quiet, adjective of quality. Little, adjective of quality. Number 7, an old farmer had 5 sons, all good for nothing, and they caused him great anxiety. Old, adjective of quality. 5, adjective of number. Great, adjective of quality. Number 8, neither boy could jump properly and both were sent back to the last line. Neither, distributive adjective. Last, adjective of number. Number 9, some men are lazy, some women are poor but hardworking. Some, adjective of number. Rich, adjective of quality. Lazy, adjective of quality. Poor, adjective of quality. And hardworking also, adjective of quality. Lastly, number 10, with only 5 rupees in his pocket, he went out to seek his fortune in the big bad world. 5, adjective of number. His, possessive adjective. Big, adjective of quality. Bad, adjective of quality. So here our exercise 1 ends. Now beginning exercise 2. Fill in the blanks in the right order taking words from the bracket. Now you have been given some fill-ups and answers in the bracket. But there are 3 adjectives. You have to write those 3 adjectives in the correct order to form the sentences. Number 1, Hari used 2 blank glass empty green bottles to make music. So this statement can be written as Hari used 2 empty green glass bottles to make music. Number 2, I love the taste of the blank white soft thin bread that my mother bakes. Now if I arrange these 3 words in the correct order, it can be written as I love the taste of the soft thin white bread that my mother bakes. Number 3, the blank young talented green-eyed musician is from Russia. the statement will be, the young talented green-eyed musician is from Russia. See, there was no change in the order as the order was perfect as it was. Number 4, my sister wore this blank long pink silk dress for her dance performance. Here also will be making no change in the order as the order is already in a perfect form. So the statement will be something like this. My sister wore this long pink silk dress for her dance performance. Number 5. We like to eat blank crispy long yellow french fries. Again, this order is already perfect, so I am not changing the order. We'll write it as it is. We like to eat crispy long yellow french fries. I will repeat all the statements once again. Number 1, Hari used 2 empty green glass bottles to make music. I love the taste of the soft, thin white bread that my mother bakes. The young, talented, green-eyed musician is from Russia. Number 4, my sister wore this long pink silk dress for her dance performance. Last one, number 5, we like to eat crispy long yellow French fries. So children, this was all in today's adjectives and we solved it. In the next video, I will be studying the explanation about degree of comparison. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.